Hi there everybody, this is Tracy and we're going to be using the Yupo card today, but this time I'm going to combine both techniques using the sort of inks with creating a smoky effect and then also taking an impression of it. So I've not done this before, so bear with me and let's just have a go. So I'm going to use butterscotch, so I'm going to dab a little of that and then what colour shall we use? Maybe some pink as well. Okay, so my alcohol blending solution, and we're going to just move that ink around. Now I can already see there's not much movement there, so I need more blending solution. Again, we've got some lovely light rainbow colours going on here, fabulous. Okay. Now I'm going to drop a little of the ink on here as well now. I'm kind of making this up as I go along, guys, so as I say, bear with me. It's good to play though. It's good to experiment and just play about with some ideas that you might have. Okay, so I'm using the blending tool just ever so lightly. And then I'm going to dab that with the tissue. Because I don't want it to spread anymore now. That's pretty cool. I quite like that. Okay, so I think that's dry. Let's just give it a little blast. Right, I've got some cream card here, so let's have a go with that. And the alcohol lift ink. So again, I'm just going to pop that along the top. And then I'm going to just bring that down over the top, and then taking our card, I'm just going to pop that down over the top and let's smooth that over and let's see what we get. I've not tried it on cream card before either, so let's just see. Wow, that's another great card. Look how that transfers. Isn't that fabulous? I really do like this effect. Okay, right, so don't forget you've got the Yupo card there that you can reuse. You can keep on creating these backgrounds with the same piece of Yupo, so it goes a long way. So I'm going to leave that to dry, even though it is probably more or less dry now because it's porous. But we've got a few backgrounds there now ready to stamp onto. So I am going to ink up in the medieval blue for this. Okay, so I'm going to just pop those down like so. Give that a good press. Let it rest a while. And there we go. So the medieval blue mixed in with the black, it's just taken off that harshness of black. I hope you can see that under the camera there. But we're going to fill this in anyway. Okay, so let's have a look. We're going to pop our little fairy on the top there. Like so. And then using some of our colour box inks, I'm just going to fill in this area. So and now I'm just using some of our brushos just to go around the edge, just to make that stand out a little bit more. So there's lots of things that you can colour in with. You know, you can colour in with the colour box or the brushos or pencils even. The water pencils are quite nice to use. But it's anything to just give it, make it the image look a little bit more solid. Okay, so I'm going to just trim that down slightly now. That's more of a sort of DL size. Okay. And now we're going to pick a worded stamp, and this time I'm going to ink up in Warm Breeze. It actually doesn't need that much more. I might put a few stars around, and again I'm going to ink up in Warm Breeze, stamp off, and then just pop. the stars around the fairy. Like so. Using a smoothie, I'm just going to create a little bit of depth of colour down here and then up here, just to balance it. But I don't want to put too much colour on because I don't want to take our eyes away from that beautiful background. So, okay. So I'm just going to use the copper pen now. This is the copper gel pen, and I'm just going to highlight a few areas. So just a little bit of sparkle. And a little bit of glitter. So we just pop the glue pen around. And then let's pick a glitter. Maybe we'll do a copper glitter as well. And just simply sprinkle that over the top. Give that a tap off, and there it is. Such a pretty background. Thanks for joining me again, guys. I hope you enjoyed that, and see you again real soon. Bye for now.